quarter mile, arrive at your destination.
We're about to go fly. We're about to go fly an airplane or a helicopter. I don't know. Yeah, let's go.
We just got numbers. Gloria's 29, I'm 30, Paul's 31. He's going last.
Okay, yeah, similar. So you can track airplanes. It's gonna show you, it's kind of centered on where all of the flights are going today so that you can kind of track and see where everybody's at. You want to, our airport right here that we're at, we're gonna take off. We're gonna go this way towards the fairgrounds, loop around the Superdome, and come back. Okay. This one has a very specific purpose. If you look at these tires, and you look at those tires on those airplanes, do you see a big difference? What do these tires look like to you? What do they remind you of? Yeah, but like, what kind of cars? Yeah. This is, these are really big tires. They're for backcountry. So,
Julia's going first.
So right now we're gonna go on an airplane, and that's Julius and Gloria's, and that's me and Paul's over there with the red and white. The boy?
Нас не пускають, правда, Джонька?
Ты знаешь, что это?
Too young to fly with me today, but you can sit in a plane. How old is he?
No. Мама, я оставила вещи, я буду тратить. Мама, с тобой.
Джулія з Лорі вже полетіли чи ні? Ти їхній самолітик був. А, ще, наверное, ні.
Хорошо.
Дівчата ось в цьому самоліті. Будуть зараз літати. Бачиш, Жонік? Бачиш? Завелись. Все, поїхали. Та, Джонік? Так, коли будеш 8, тобі можна буде.
Я думаю, їм там вже.
Вони, так. Це їхні. Там Павлік Сімай.
So right now, Gloria now take off back to over here. And now it's not gonna take off.
on the walls. And I thought, like, I was always caught myself looking at all the photos. Wasn't paying too much.
That was so much fun. Julia got to like control the plane and all that stuff. And yeah. That plane that says 27, that's where Samuel and Paul is at. So we just landed and it was very fun.
We just got our flight certificate that we were flying a plane, right, Gloria? Was it fun? Yeah?
Yeah.
I think you already explained it. We also got it signed. Oh, somewhere here. We have it signed. We have it signed right here by our pilot.
And you can bring it every single time when you go here, and then like different pilots can go and sign your.
Yeah.
Yeah.
These events happen really commonly, so make sure to always register. Young Eagle